Hi, I'm Zaman, this is Best Hombre, and today I got a bunch of Ziza LED bulbs that I have from an old car that I'd never used. I'm going to be swapping those out, and we'll show you what it looks like before and after, and figure out for yourself if you think it's worth it. Right now, this yellow light is killing me, so let's get to it.
What we do here is go back.
Today's video is sponsored by Bow. Bow makes some quality denim jeans, and these are actually my second order of jeans from them because the first order I've worn so many times that I've destroyed them. So here we are. We have the staple, the green, and a chino to replace my destroyed pair. Khaki is a great color, matches with almost everything. So check them out, Bow. Just pull down this here. Yeah, Volkswagens like come apart so easily. Let's take a look here. What else we got? Step up or slide. See that? See that? You can actually get them here. I want to take them off. Why? So it looks like what I'm doing here is I forgot to pop these. Pop it. And don't watch me, watch TV. So that'll happen real quick, but everything's fine. Nothing's actually broken, and I'm gonna be able to pop those out real quick. Actually, just gonna push this back in. Doesn't need to be out. Let's see. Okay. So, proof is in the pudding. As we're looking at them here, all the clips and everything, they're all fine. Nothing's happened to them. They're all on where they're supposed to be. So the back or the front of the car has two harder clips, whereas the back only has one of these harder retention clips. So start from the front and work your way back. It'll be a lot easier. I'll take this bulb here, and these do have CanBus eliminators or resistors, so that the CanBus can realize it's a regular bulb. But yeah, I mean, just you can look at the difference there. Even just for the white, it is certainly brighter, but even just for the white, you know, that's amazing. Now, these bulbs are ancient. I've had them for many, many years. See? So this one, they are polar sensitive, so this one didn't work. So I'm going to swap it around, and there it is. It works fine. So just got to make sure you test them before you close everything back up so that you can see the wonderful LED lights. So now this, going back in, I'm going to start from the back here. Make sure you get everything in the little holes. There's these like gator teeth. The gator teeth go into the little holes, and if they're crooked or bent or whatever, they're not going to go in nicely. So make sure that the gator teeth are in there nice. And everything's going into place here. So let's see. Done, beautiful. If you need to, it's always got to have a few tools. Okay. Again, double check to make sure you didn't screw up any of these little teeth. There's two on each side, but don't forget how this goes. Set it down in front of you so you don't get lost. And now, you don't want to take out the whole thing. I did that by accident, and honestly, you can't even get to the bulbs. So you end up having to put it back and just peel off the little front panel. So Let's take this guy out here. Big fingers, tight space. Need grip strength. You can do it. Oh man, I need some reinforcements. Huh. Oh, now I get these pliers to the glass. Why the heck did they do this? The angle bolts. Now there's a lot of space here. Light it up. Yep. Wedged it out. Alright, always remember to check for polarity. So, there we go. Now it works. What a difference. Okay, gotta keep the old bulb handy just in case you ever swap these out or change your vehicles as quickly as I do. You're gonna end up swapping this out later on. You might want to hold on to these bulbs because, like you see, this wasn't even meant for this car, but guess what? It's going in this car because I've had them for so long, and they're pretty much so standard on all these cars now. This same T10 base. I think it's a 194. I'll double check that. But these shits are expensive. I think this kit, these are meant to be like $8 or $9 a pop. I'm not paying that. I think I got a deal on it. I paid $50 for the whole set. And just take them car to car. They're supposed to last forever, the LEDs. Anyway, so I put them down. Now they're ready to go back up. Gotta make sure the teeth aren't fucked up because there's holes here where the teeth go. This one is not like the other one where it has like an opening. This one has actual little holes where the teeth are supposed to slot in. Since I only have 2 more bulbs left out of that leftover kit, I might as well use them here in the back third row lighting so that I can light up the whole trunk area. If you really want to do all of the lights, there are 2 more of these. I would probably need 4 more of these to really finish it up because there's 2 footwell lights up front and then 2 rear lights back here. DeAutoLED has a really cool kit that they just released that does connect to the 2 front footwell lighting, and it extends it to the second and third row. Might do that in future videos, so I might only need 2 more of these to do these back, and I'm just going to do this right now. This is the same as the same setup as the middle row, so as long as I can get something under here, it should pop. Here we go. Nope, that one's not strong enough. Let's see, this one pop it. There we go, that one's strong. It's going straight, man. Don't break it, do. It's something forcing out. Okay. Okay. So I've managed to bend one of these, but just bend it back. You're not going to be doing this very often. You might only have to do this 1 more time after this, should you sell the car. And that's pretty much it. So pops right out. All right. Bam. Big difference. Pop. So this is the before with the halogen lights. And you can, I mean, it looks fine, right? When you can't really tell the difference, but now this is the after. Look at it. And you can kind of see the footwell light, how yellow it is, because I haven't swapped that yet, compared to how bright and white the rest of the interior is from those overhead dome LED lights. Honestly, the Ziza bulbs, worth the money. Get them on a deal. ECS always does deals on packages for the Ziza bulbs. You can see, look how yellow those footwell lights are. And look how everything else is so bright and white. And if you're looking from the outside, it is night. It is nighttime, and it looks like daylight in there. Just look at that. And obviously, this is not, nobody's going to be looking at you if you have the lights on. The lights only turn on when you turn them on. So it's not like people are going to be seeing you. But when you need to see, you're going to be able to see. Thanks for watching.